anyways, now I got the wood all sanded up. I used the big sander, you know, to round off all the edges, and I gotta round off every end because this is gonna fit inside of angle iron, and obviously the inside of that is radius, so you want it to fit up nice and tight. So I round all the ends, you know, make my marks and chunk it up a little bit, and then I'm gonna use today, you know, you can use whatever you want, but this is gonna be Jacko bean. It's from Home Depot. I'm gonna put it on with a rag just because that works better for me. I don't buy brushes or anything. Anyways, a lot of the times I use real reclaimed wood. Obviously, this is new wood. It just depends on my client and what I'm building, or if I had already sold a listing, I gotta do whatever matches that listing. So it's never a perfect match, but that's why it's a custom deal. You just make sure you get it down in all those pits. Sometimes I'll take a black and get black inside of down underneath the pits because it looks cool. Anyways, just rub it in really good. You don't need a lot. This Jacko bean looks nice. I like it. I had to get all the edges because I'm going to be exposed. So that's that. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest and get them drying because these are gonna go on top. This will be the top of the 5 cabinets headed to Canada. This is the first piece. It came out well, I think, you know. So the Jacko bean, just so it looks nice. But anyways, I'm gonna finish those up.